This is my camera head bracket. This is my homemade camera head bracket. In one of my previous videos, I showed how to make this camera head bracket. I mentioned that video link below. So today I have new idea about this head bracket, because when I wear this head bracket, between the distance of eye level and camera lens level is too long and cannot adjust. Now I decided to make new bracket. I decided to add a new bracket to use this side. It should be adjustable, and so let's see what we need. This is 18-inch aluminum strip and a piece of aluminum extrusion. L-shape, 2 pieces of aluminum. L-shape. 2 nuts and bolts, 2 screws, 4 rubber washers, 4 steel washers, blind rivets, something like a belt. Let's see how to do this. This is final result. It came like this. It is success and beautiful. This camera head bracket you can use for POV video clips and self-recording video clips, and I also use this camera head bracket for my future video recordings. Okay, it came nicely. And thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.